Hazel's smiling. I think there's the end of our train. It's going away, Kyah. It's okay. Oh, no, that's just the middle.
That's just because it's that long.
That's how long it is, which is funny because that's exactly what I said.
Alright. She's jamming out the music. Maybe she's just in a really happy place.
There's the end, Kyah. Here is the end. It was longer. Going up here for a whole bunch of stuff today. One of the things is to get the recorder. I was just talking about how it's only going to record for 60 hours and it's been off for many days now. We meant to get up here earlier and we couldn't. As far as it recording 60 hours though, I can just tap wires into where, you know, one of the battery compartments is at, because it only takes 2 little AAA batteries, and just wire a little external battery pack to it and make it take as many as I want, you know, put 20 batteries in there, make it waterproof, whatever, and that thing will record for like 1,500 hours. We just let it go and go and go. And that thing will record for like 1,500 hours. We just let it go and go and go. Now, would I want to do that? No. But I wouldn't mind doing it and sending it to somebody if they wanted to sit and listen to it for 10 years. But it's just an idea. It's something I could do. So.
Yeah, so this was before I knew that Bigfoot or whatever was going to magically employ its powers over the recorder and just shut it down, null and void, at their will.
Alright, we just got up here. We're just in the parking lot right now. So, I don't know if you can tell all this. That's pretty wild. You see all these pine needles on the ground? There must have been some serious hail. So I'm thinking that means our recorder's screwed, but the good news about that is I don't have to sit through and listen to it all. Then again, it might not have hailed where we're going hiking in, so we'll see. Girl, come on.
Alright, a spider making a web around my hand.
Still seeing all the pine needles on the grass. Well, on the ground, making it look like grass. Yeah. Baron sitting at home on the couch.
We're still hiking in, guys. Plenty of distance still from where we're getting to, because we're still obviously too close to the road here.
She was just really on edge, dude. Her hair was all standing up and everything.
She's pulling me really hard.
Something to do with that. She was trying to stay away from that area at first.
Let's see if she's doing it again. Her hair was all standing up. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, she definitely did not like it.
Just keep that on because mine's not changing gravity. Big hole's not messed with, not dug into anymore. Definitely had some rain. I figure we're going to do our fire here at this large fire pit.
Might as well, yeah.
Also looks like it's not messed with. No, you're not going to drink it, but the universe. So part of the plan today, guys, is we're going to walk. We're going to leave stuff here. We're actually going to cook, have lunch first, cook some corn, gift it to them, freshly cooked, walk, see if we can get anything to happen. Well, we can't control this. See if anything happens. And that's all I got to say about that. See if anything happened with the old gifts and recorder. All right, so there's all that stuff.
I'm not sure where that was left.
I'll show you.
You'll have to.
I'll show you. Over here. As far as the rain.
So you had a little fun, did you?
Yeah. So my son was here. There's our dig hole. Looking good. As in not messed with. All the bait rocks are still here. This I shoved in the ground. It's still shoved in the ground. Everything's looking good. Recorder is over here. Oh yeah, I have to point it straight down. That this oh, the foam is torn off it, dude. That's why it's pointed straight down. They tore a piece of foam off. Look, it's on the ground. And you can see it's ripped. Look, they put it down. So it's pointed up. They pulled it down. It's just in there with that stick. Look at how that's ripped off. You see it?
So maybe they were trying to take care of your concern, which is that it was going to be ruined.
Maybe, but you know what it reminds me of is the little doll that we left.
Face down, right?
Put it face down. But it's here and it's dry, so whatever is on here, guys, is on here. Alright, let's check out the fort. Good stuff. Hey, don't go too far. It's actually so cool because they might have put it face down because they didn't like it. But the joke's on them, so to speak, because it rained so bad yesterday. They actually protected it.
Right.
Alright, sweet. Kyah, can you... Well, never mind. That's why she's here. You're okay. Good girl. So, something I left here was 3... on there from up there, which is not significant. There were 3 suckers that had sticks on them.
So far she's had the hair on the back of her back stand up because she didn't like that spot over there, and then she just get a little, little quick growl huff.
So Greg, keep an eye out. It's going to be hard to see, but 3 little sticks that go onto popsicles. Not popsicles. Not popsicles. Suckers. You know, like the little white ones like this, but skinnier. Because I thought they might not want the suckers. He's definitely interested in that area. See where the peanut bag is left. One time. The peanut shells are still down there.
If only we had another camera on at the exact same time to catch these weird sound anomalies. Oh, wait, we did. We happened to get it on another camera, the exact same time, the exact same spot. But anyway, whatever. Here's the second camera, caught that sound.
The bag was left one time. Yeah, peanut shells are still down there.
And Kyah, my dog, doesn't look any the wiser to anything. But something was there, something made that sound. But really, ask me if I'm surprised by that. You know, I'm not at all.
What's funny about the foam being ripped? It's like they didn't want to touch it, you know? And imagine what they could have done to that. They just grabbed like a little piece.
We were just trying to see what it was. And perhaps to them it felt kind of like one of the stuffed animals. We'll put it face down.
You hungry? No? That was a little bit of luck because I had one hatch. I meant to pack a lighter. One thing I forgot. Now I'm scrambling for dry stuff because everything's soaking wet. Something up there. Is the camera on?
Yeah, it's facing us. Not sure what that was, but not hearing it now.
And you can't run off. The last thing you ever do. Corn. We're gonna cook for friends. Just gonna put it around for now. Get the chicken going. I guess banana kind of should be a signature piece, huh?
What's that?
Banana. What do we think? Leaving our forest beans, an uncooked piece of chicken. I mean, seriously, they gotta be eating something, and I guess it's deer, right? We're not living off pine nuts. Too much shadowing over there. So we could even leave a piece of cooked cooking since you're not eating with the corn, which I guess is burning now because I completely forgot about it.
It'll still be alright on the inside.
Fire was a lot smaller when those were sitting there.
You know they're a little picky, but hopefully not too picky.
It's pretty cool though, man. Once I can relax myself, take in the moment.
Yeah, I just wanted to get that. I don't think it was a bee, possibly wasp, yellow jacket. Maybe it was a bee, I don't know. But it was the last time you saw one chewing on some dog food and then flying off with some.
Oh, really?
It looked like he had taken a chunk off and then flew off with that. It wasn't the actual full piece. And Kyah, you are just already just done, tired.
She's like, I thought there was gonna be Bigfoot here, guys. Where's he at? I'm bored. Okay, we're going on a hike. For what it's worth, shovels are there. There's a rock on the recorder. There's a rock on the bag. Rock on each of the shirts that are drying. Okay, here's nuts and bag. And the corn we just cooked right now. Literally, it's still hot. Just cooked it.
And three.
3 pieces of corn we just cooked.
Actually, you know what? What am I doing? What am I doing? That's why we have this. Jackass. Alright.
We'll leave it on the frisbee, which is the gifting whatever. So I just can't get myself to clean the whatever the hell, cutting board. Someone commented about a knock, saying, oh, maybe they do that because they want you to leave. Really? An 8-foot, 1,200-pound creature wants you to leave, and it's going to do a little knock. Oh, really? That's what they're going to do? They try to get you to leave? Okay. Okay. But the fur? It's the same fur that's on that camera. The cotton was, pieces of cotton were coming off, so I just fixed it with fur that actually would have looked better in the first place. Alright, we just began our hike. Greg's setting up a camera to look behind us as we're walking a little bit. I'm just kind of waiting. Right next to me on the ground here, I noticed This little piece of a lighter, that's the safety part, right, is sitting on here. See how I just said it? It wasn't like that. It's just, it was sitting upright. Like, it's just so weird. I can't even believe, I can't bring myself to believe they would do something that subtle in the middle of nowhere. I could almost believe it. I could almost bring myself to believe, I can talk, that the universe would have known that I was going to come through here and sit right here, and right next to me would be that little thing on the ladder. Yeah, whatever. I could actually believe that at this point. Whatever.
I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna. The GoPro obviously is gonna be better, but
Go ahead. I'm gonna look. Just walk. It's actually pretty decent.
so you gotta turn it on and hit record for me.
Oh, it's not recording?
Yeah.
Well, hang on. I gotta open the screen and everything. Here. Got recent elk in the area. It's cool. I know we see a lot of deer scatting, but not elk. Okay, we're not jumping down that rock.
Hey. What?
Checking the ground good because it's all wet.
A little muddy, yep.
What? What?
She just jumped real bad, but I think it was just because of the stick in the grass. Freaked her out.
Yeah, this is hard to see where even to step.
Interesting. The top piece, like the top piece is actually gone.
Right.
And then it's broke.
I don't know how, if that's from them, I don't know how they get up there so high. Really hard for us humans to get through here. Whew.
Should actually bring us almost kind of where that nighttime investigation was for you, man. A lot of down trees here on this side.
Not as much scrub oak and more ferns. The land is just more open. Not as much sun though. So the canopy is it's just different. Alright, onward ho. Alright, here's a couple things hard to explain. So, whatever the hell's going on here. And that. awesome.
Really digging the sound effect.
Yeah? I didn't even want to begin to explain it. It's like you can see the trees over, the other one's pulling it, there's a big branch bent in half hanging on it. And then this, which is yeah. This. Just hanging out. Bent in half. Not interesting at all. Except it is actually. Keep going. You can see more going on in the forest there. Woo-doo-doo!
Over it. Over it.
Definitely going far enough for something to happen back there, which is good.
You stop at the floor.
Kyah, no, no, Kyah, bad. There's almost things. Okay, a couple things. Whatever the hell's going on here. Alright guys, it's been 5-10 minutes, I don't know, 5 hours, who cares? It's been some time. Time's passed. That's the point of me saying something. Turn on, next clip, time's passed, still walking. We got teepee up there. It's a pretty good one, dude.
Pretty good one, dude.
Pretty good one, dude. Yeah. I know we've been around this area, we just haven't gone that way, so that's where...
Right, we came up 30 yards, whatever, behind you, and then we went out that way. We've never been up here. I'm seeing all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can see these trees laying down with other trees over and under them that don't make natural sense.
Well, I guess we'll do a battery change on this one.
Alright, so we're gonna head up to that teepee here in a minute. Alright, now pray there's a big gust of wind so it knocks the camera down. Please, big gust of wind, come knock the camera down. Helicopter. Be able to see it. It's the same one that keeps flying over this area, and it's the same one that went through the South Platte River really low. Why? Oh, I'm sure all you gotta do is contact the Air Force or Army and ask them, and they'll tell you. They'll tell you the truth too, without hesitation. Yeah, that was sarcasm. What the hell? Right in the valley. He's going down, following the river. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. Maybe a search and rescue thing. He's following the river.
I was gonna say maybe they're just looking
No, it costs a lot of fuel. It costs a lot of money to put a helicopter up.
Did you know that wind can do that?
Yeah, I did.
Pretty cool.
There's these little tiny hurricanes that have intelligent brains, and they'll even take like that tree from there and twist them together and bring them, bend them down, but just in this one spot. And all the other trees everywhere are fine. Pretty cool.
Science.
Right? Science.
Yeah, except only it's not science.
Pretty easy to say you're not interested in this stuff and then immediately just have a way to put yourself above everyone else. Not too many people who actually go in the woods and really know about these creatures think that that's not interesting. Don't care. Just thinking as I'm walking. Well, you should just shut up. Okay, I will. Alright, so we come up a way we've never been before. We're getting to a national forest property boundary marker. Now the interesting thing about this, if you didn't already know, they don't lean them up against rocks. Sorry, they don't. People usually don't also pull them up out of the ground and do that. Bigfoot, now you're breaking the law.
For some reason, I don't think they care.
So we don't know where the hell that's from, and that's not our fault. You want to go down this trail we've never been down?
Now, this looks like a trail.
Yeah, let's check it out, huh? It's all new. All new stuff here, guys. Great, now I gotta edit all that shit out.
Right. So look at this.
I know, there's more here. Broken stuff there.
Okay. Sorry, I can't see the screen. I don't know where it's pointing. It's on my back.
Yep, broken both sides. In between 3 trees. Does it look like I have a camera?